This is Steve Liebenthal with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Had a pretty nice afternoon here in southern Idaho. Temperatures warming to near 80 degrees in most locations, at least here in the southwest. And in fact, Ontario, Oregon got there. Take a look at those high temperatures so far today, and you'll see that Boise has made it up to 78 degrees. There is Ontario with that temperature of 80, 72 in Twin Falls. There's some action into that region, some thunderstorms flaring up, mostly in the eastern Magic Valley. Pocatello only at 67 degrees, some thunderstorms moving through that area right now as well. And you can see what's happening here on Doppler radar. The clouds also getting thicker just to the southwest of us here in the Treasure Valley over the Owyhee Mountains. So the possibility of a thunderstorm flaring up this evening. Tomorrow, much cooler than today. Some clouds in the morning. 60-degree temperature by 3 o'clock, and we're looking at afternoon highs only in the low 60s tomorrow. And our futurecast will show the potential of showers moving in, especially in the mountains. This is around 2 o'clock in the morning, and temperatures will cool these showers around a cold front, and that cold front will drop those temperatures enough that we're likely to see snow mixing in with the rain, even in places like McCall, some snow accumulation way up high. In places like McCall and maybe even Stanley, some morning showers that could be a mix of rain and snow. I don't think you'll see any accumulation on the valley floors, though. And there's another look at those thunderstorms over eastern Oregon. Most of the action appears to be headed to the north of the Treasure Valley, but we are closely watching what's happening over the Owyhee Mountains in eastern Oregon and southern Idaho, because we could see thunderstorms developing there. And there you see the thicker cloud cover coming in. Those shades of purple indicate higher cloud tops, and those are what we look for when we are looking for the development of thunderstorms. So again, it is possible this evening. Then the cold front comes through, really dropping our temperatures for tomorrow, but those afternoon highs are only a few degrees below average for this time of year. Hard to believe when we're sitting at about 80 degrees that we should be really in the mid 60s, but that is the case right now. Partly cloudy skies for tomorrow. Winds out of the northwest, 10 to 20 miles per hour here in the Treasure Valley. See that afternoon high in Boise, only 63 degrees, so about 16 degrees cooler than today. West Central Mountains, that possibility of snow mixing in with rain early tomorrow morning. The morning low gets down to 36 in McCall, so again, not much accumulation, if any, on the valley floor. 33 for the low in Stanley. You could see a dusting of snow early in the morning, but partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. Temperatures much cooler than they have been the last 24 to 48 hours. Here's the extended forecast, and it shows 63 for tomorrow, up to 69 on Monday with plenty of sunshine, close to 80 on Tuesday, and then another cool down for Wednesday and Thursday, a slight cool down for this time of year. 69 still slightly warmer than we should be on those dates. And then by next weekend, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, afternoon highs hitting the low 80s. But unlike this weekend, it looks like we'll have those low 80s for next Sunday as well. So May starting out pretty mild, all things considered, with the exception of those thunderstorms that are happening in some places right now.
Right, and then since we started out today almost at 80, you think that you're inching towards summer, but we're not quite there yet.
Yeah, well, that's early summer-like warmth, but no, we're still in spring.
Nope. Thanks very much, Steve. And many